In 2012, in the program Natural Magic in Zach, the chapter flew a giant weapon. The smoke ring can easily knock down a cardboard wall 20 meters away, but 60 meters is not a problem. Set the GNS world record with a distance of 100 meters, about what this smoke ring actually is. Actually, we often encounter this phenomenon in life, in the sea, fish or sea bass blow bubbles, on land. With just one push, you can blow out a perfect smoke ring. In the air, when the plane's wing particles are also accompanied by circling air dwarfing. And those circles are called circles, referring to the substance that the heart is built around in a certain way. On the area of 10 straight or 10 gong, it is created from stray heart substances, such as heart substance, air substance, plus Ma. For example, a bubble ring in water, when it moves, the air inside the ring and the surrounding water will appear. Like a wire passing through the hand, like a wire moving along the wrist and back. Seen from afar, each beat of the pass is built in one direction, viewed from close up, the whole line has finished moving. And the construction area becomes more interesting as it builds faster, it also becomes more stable as the rope moves. The build-up in the building area reduces the internal energy, causing wear and tear between the internal nature and the external environment, thereby allowing it to maintain its shape and move long distances without losing weight and energy. She tries to maintain the shape and length of the rope in the shop as long as possible. This also explains why the bald ring at the beginning of the video has amazing power. Of course, when we consider the strange function of this word, scientists have been studying masonry rings for a long time. In 1858, German materialist Homann von Helmholtz carried out a mathematical analysis of it, integrating the momentum fraction. Helmholtz's paper was first published in 1858 in a groundbreaking series on dynamics. Hanma published a series of groundbreaking articles on substance dynamics, introducing the integral formula of the volumetric fluid dynamics equation, and has conducted many experiments and research. In 1992, Nature magazine published a video about the construction ring. 26 years later, it took a foreign internet user 4 years to do it. At this scene, observing in slow mode will clearly see it. When two circles build round into one side, there will be many small sections around the open radius. The researcher believes that in these small parts there is a low pressure point. It is this low pressure area that creates the suction of surrounding material, leading to a gap in the outer ring. An essay in Nature magazine in 2018. Love the flight mechanism of the ancient peacock seeds. The reason they can walk is due to the common air force. It is indispensable to have things on your mind. Researchers from Learn Eden Step, England, Save built a clear prison. Use a light to illuminate the air around the seeds. Unexpectedly, the existence of the masonry circle was discovered. It does not come into direct contact with the seeds of the cervix, which is kept stable in the upper part of the head. As nature moves into the low-pressure loop, the masonry ring will suck up the dandelion seeds from below. From there, a new way of flying was formed. And in 2019, a foreigner conducted a castration next to the swimming pool. Use the blower gently when going through the water. At this time, two black circles appear at the lake. They will move forward along small ridges. When you go into observation, you will realize, in fact, it is the projection of two rings built on the water surface. So what do these construction rounds have to do with each other? Why were they able to advance together for such a long time? The person performing the castration placed a small amount of semen in the center of two masonry rings. Not long after, it looked like the water was creating a connection. And this connection is created due to the difference in the financial transfer environment. Actually, it is still extremely hidden.